Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Dava Kurnia Juno and my lesson PM number is 077. Here I want to do about midterm test project for academic speaking and the material about speaking to persuade, and the title is the reduce of plastic use for save our future. Okay, uh, before uh, today I want to talk about something uh, we all use every day, often without thinking about plastic. But my goal today is to persuade to all of you to think differently and act differently. Okay, before before I explain material, this is the list of contents. Will I explain? Okay, the first is introduction. The second is the problem. Plastic is waste in Indonesia, and the third, why it matters to us, and the fourth is the solutions, what we can do, and the fifth is call to action, and the last is conclusion. Okay, first is introduction. Plastic may be cheap and convenient, but it's causing damage on a massive scale, especially here in our country, in Indonesia. Maybe I believe it's time for all of us to reduce our plastic use. Not tomorrow, not next year, but starting today. Okay. Next, the problem. Okay. The problem in our country, Indonesia, is plastic waste. Indonesia is maybe the second largest uh, contributor of plastic waste to the oceans in the world. According to data from the Ministry of Environment and Forestry, we produce over 68 million tons of waste every year, and a large portion of that is plastic. Single use plastic like straws, plastic bags, and bottles end up in rivers, seas, and even our food chain. Microplastics have been found in fish, salt, and even in the water we drink. Plastic takes uh, hundreds of years to decompose, and yet we use it for things that last only minutes, like a plastic bag or a bubble tea straw. Okay, next, the why it matters to you, why it matters to us. Yeah, maybe we might think we will, oh, maybe uh we might think, well, we are just some person, like, well, I'm just one person, or what can I do, what can we do. But think about this, if every one of us use just one less plastic bag each day, that would save millions of plastic bags per week across Indonesia. plastic pollution affects everyone. Farmers, because plastic clogs irrigation. Next, fishermen, because plastic kills marine life. And another is maybe tourists, because our beaches are polluted. Even babies, because microplastics are now found in breast milk. This is not just an environment issue, it's a health issue, it's an economic issue, and it's a personal issue. Okay, guys. Next, we will explain the solution. What we can do, what will we do for the solution of this problem. So what we can do, actually a lot. Here are some simple but powerful action you can take. First, bring your own bag to the supermarket or anywhere you shop. Second, maybe you use a reusable bottle instead of buying bottled water every day. The third, say no to plastic straws or switch to stainless steel or bamboo ones. The fourth, avoid overpackaged products. Choose items that useless or no plastic, guys. Useless or no plastic. And the last maybe is join clean up movements or community or community cleanups for the clean our country. Support stores and brands that offer sustainable packaging. Educate others, your friends, family, or maybe your mom and dad in home or in school, or your teacher maybe, about the importance of this issue. These are small steps, but when done by millions of people, they create massive change. Okay, next, the call to action. Okay, now I want to challenge each one of you. After you leave this watching, after you watch this video, I want you to reduce just one kind of plastic you use daily. Just one. It can be the plastic bag, the straw, or the cup lid. Then tell someone else to do the same. If each of us influences 3 people and they influence 3 more, I imagine the domino effect. Change starts with us, and when we act together, we create movements that governments, companies, and the world cannot ignore. Okay, maybe that's all. The explanation from me, yeah, from the plastic, from this issue. In last, I won't give the conclusion from all material. Yeah, plastic is not just a little trash. It's a threat to our health, our oceans, and our future. But the solution is in our hands. Reduce your plastic use, inspire others, and protect the planet we call home. Let's be the generation that stop plastic, not the one remember for drowning in it. Okay, thank you. That's all from me about reduce plastic use. Hopefully you can practice it after this after this in your life. Thank you for watching and see you next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.